Hi there, just wanted to share this little video with you. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. What I'm going to be doing today is going to be renewing these chairs. They're plastic rattan. As you can see, they've all gone quite rotten, and I'm going to show you how very cheaply we can repurpose these back to decent chairs. So what I'll do now is I'll just get all this old rattan off and I'll continue. As you can see, I've removed all the old plastic rattan off the frame. I've also just made sure all the bolts are all correct and re-tightened up, etc., just so that they are an old chair, so I just wanted to make sure the frame was all good. What I've got is I've got some decking boards, grooved on one side, plain on the other, which I'm going to use to create the seat and the back for the chair. As you can see, I've cut the seat base. I've just shaped it a little bit at the front and cut them to size. I'm going to equal the gaps on it, and then what I'm going to do is they'll just be I'll just do like a 2mm pilot hole through the timber into the frame. It's only an aluminium frame, and then I can screw it into place just with some 40mm screws. As you can see now, I've cut the boards ready to go on the back. Something I've just done is marked two little marks for the centre of the chair. As you can see there and there, that's going to give me a pointers to work to. As you can see now, I've just fixed the backrest on, and now all that's left to do is just shape the back. For that, just an easy thing, I've cut a piece of wood so that I can get all the chairs the same, and what we'll do is we'll run that level with the frame, and we'll just mark it at the top and just slide it around all the back, and then we'll get a nice curve following the shape of the metal. As you can see, I've now shaped the back. Give it a little sanding. We like things quite rustic looking because we're in the campo, so you then can leave that as natural. With it being decking, it's autoclaved, so it's injected, so it will probably outlast the frame. But when it starts getting a bit sun damaged, we tend to put a coat of stain on it, but we quite like it the way it is, with a nice bright seat cushion on. So as you can see, an after video and a before. And to be honest, the actual timber one, a lot more comfier to sit on, because it's a bit more higher backed. So thanks for watching. Oh sorry, and just to say, it took approximately hour and a half, 2 hours to do one chair, and the cost of the timber, €10, €12 and a few screws. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.